Namaste. I pray to the divine in you. We have reached a very important time of the revolution of this cosmos. This is the time when we need energy to grow. We need Reiki to heal our life. What is the first thing which we get when we go deep into energy healing? Well, the first thing we get is that we get stress free. When you get stress free, you make better decisions. When you start making better decisions, your life becomes successful. When your life becomes successful, you feel more and more happy each day. And this cycle goes on and on and on. Reiki is not only about energy. Reiki is all about a lifestyle in which you program certain rules in your life. You follow certain principles in your life, and then you analyze your life from a perspective by which you don't get affected into the negative part of life and you enjoy all the positive outcomes. My name is Doctor Vishwjit Singh. People in the world of Reiki know me as Vishnu. I am teaching Reiki since more than a decade. Before I was into Reiki, my life, as you can imagine, was not that happy. I was not that balanced, and life keep on crashing till I learned to heal it myself. When I started practicing and teaching Reiki, my life transformed into a way that today people know me because of many things. Reiki helped me to heal my finances, my relationships, make me more joyful, make me a master today, and my bad luck became my good luck to an extent that I attracted so many people that even who don't even speak into my language, but I am still able to transform their lives, and I mean it. You can go to my website and see the testimonials, beautiful testimonials. I have worked with Kriya yogis who were 2 or 3 times of my age. They have given very beautiful testimonials. Arab, America, Europe, Russia, India. The list goes on and on. I have total experience of teaching Reiki of 12 years, 13 years now. So I look forward for healing your life as well. I want first a time commitment from all of you that when I teach Reiki, I take it not as a course, but the parameter which I see is that your life is getting transformed or not. Level 1 Reiki, I have systematically placed many informations in Reiki level 1 so that even if you have no knowledge about Reiki, you will still know everything about Reiki and also other aspects of spirituality. This course is designed specially for the working class who don't have much time, who have a busy life. They are already either they have lots and lots of time, either it is planned for a housewife who can understand life in a better way, or either it is designed for a very busy businessman making a lot of money and still have very few time to meditate or to give importance to it. But once you learn Reiki, whoever you are, you're spiritual, you're not spiritual, you have a balanced life, you're struggling with something, you will get a very important lesson of your life and your life will start to boost from it. So I need a commitment of 40 days. You will be learning lot many things than people give you in superficial courses. This course comes with a lifetime opportunity to be in your tribe. You can ask whatever question you want to ask, and I will be with you for lifetime. This is not any superficial course that I will give you a certificate and I run from you. We don't do this in Reiki dynamic healing. Since 2008 I have never missed anyone, and when we made ReikiDynamicHealing.com website in 2018, you can see the parameter we have not avoided anyone. So it is not just a certificate course, it is a transformation which we want to give to you so that you can heal your life, and that is my life mission. You not only heal your life, you get enlightened, and then you will heal others. And with this life mission, I want to offer you USUI Reiki level 1 and level 2 courses. We will start from 21st of January, and then we will have a certificate on March depending upon completion of your self-healing, because you will be doing everything hands-on, and I want you to be a very practical Reiki healer, not a superficial one. So with this note, I am ending this video, and I hope you will enroll in your workshop. Thank you, God bless you, and may this cosmic energy not only heal your life but also enlighten you and give you anything which your higher self deserve. Not your wishes, they are not that big. Be blessed always. Thank you so much. Bye.